I am gonna dive deep right now. I'm gonna start pulling things. I wanna see more that's broken, so it's time to start popping shit off, but I'm not gonna bore you with talking, so let's hop right into a time lapse of me tearing this apart and inspecting every little thing on this bike. So stay tuned. Okay, so I got everything swapped over from that fuel pump, the stems for the hoses, the gas cap, the rubber for this mount, these rubber mounts, and then the clip, the latch in the front. So everything's swapped over. Show you under here. That, those on, all that on. So that's pretty much it for that. Kickstand is on and functional. Front end is off. I actually had this engine hoist from the Scrambler build, but it was way too big for the shed that I was in, so I finally put it together and it works perfect for this. So now that this is off, the only other thing that's broken that needs to come off is the mount for the rear set that snapped. I have the new one, but I needed to order a bigger socket for that main bolt that goes through the rear swing arm here. I think it's a 24 mil Allen hex bolt. So that's ordered. I'm waiting on that. Then I can pull this, and then pretty much everything is stripped that's broken, and then I can start putting stuff back on. I did find out that the front rim, I need a new front rim. I was hoping I didn't need to, but it's, I don't know if you can see this. Let's see. It's really hard to see, but right in here, this whole thing is cracked all the way around on this spoke. And then the paint is coming off here. It's something, when it got hit, it cracked. It's just not, it's not strong, it's not sturdy. I would never even consider putting this back on and trying to use it because it's just dangerous. So I have to order a new rim. I'll get new discs for the brakes and the the ring for the wheel speed sensor is dented, so I'm gonna have to order that too. Basically the whole front end from everything. I already ordered the front end. I have the forks with the brakes, the handlebars, the headlight, the blinkers, the levers, the controls. The whole front end is brand new. We're not reusing anything from the accident, so it's all going to be replaced. So that I'll probably order the rim next, depending on money, but it'll be that and then the radiator. I want to get the rim and the forks back on so I can take it off of the hoist, have it sitting normal. Then I'll consider, and then I gotta find a radiator, order that. And that's it. Yesterday I ordered some more OEM parts. The fuel pressure sensor was snapped, so I ordered a new one of those. There's a bolt. I was wondering why the oil cooler was wobbly. I mentioned that in the first video. There's a bolt that's missing, so I ordered that. I ordered some stuff for the seat that was missing. And then I got new bar and mirrors for the handlebars. I got the same ones that are on my Panigale, which are the arrow ones, which I really like. So I got those. And I also got the matte carbon front fender mud guard. So really it's just the rim now, like basically the whole rim setup. So the discs, the speed sensor, all that. I have a new axle. This axle is bent. I can't even get it out. And then the radiator, I think I can salvage the fans and all the electronics off of the old radiator, put them on the new one. And then that's pretty much it. Right now I'm kind of toying with the idea of changing the tank color and maybe doing something different that you can't just get at a Ducati dealership, because I think that would be cool. I don't know what I want to do yet, but I have time, so definitely stay tuned and see what happens next with this thing.